gonna do, Sheldon? Blow up the apartment?
That was my first thought, but all my cool stuff is here.
So what happens when it counts down?
Unless Leonard signs the new agreement in the next 41 seconds, this computer will send an email to your parents in India saying that you're in a secret relationship with the whiter-than-marshmallow fluff Leonard Hofstadter.
Oh my God.
What's the big deal?
Trust me, it's a big deal.
Well, they're gonna find out about me eventually, right?
Yeah, of course, just not today.
20 seconds.
Are you ashamed of me?
Of course not.
Then why can't we tell your parents?
Please, don't push this.
He does that all the time, doesn't he? 15.
Okay, fine, Sheldon, you win. Turn it off.
No, he's bluffing.
I never bluff. 10.
It's blackmail.
9.
We give up.
8.
This is ridiculous.
It's a laptop with a full charge. Honestly, what do you see in him?
Okay, give him what he wants, or we're done.
3.
Really?
2.
Okay, I'll sign it.
Self-destruct sequence aborted.
You may have gone to Cambridge, but I'm an honorary graduate of Starfleet Academy.